So here is a language learning app called Pingo AI, Learn Languages. As you can see, it's growing quite high in the charts. So here you can just see it. Learn a new language through real conversations with Pingo, your AI speaking companion. Load by 3 million plus users. Pingo uses the most advanced AI built for language learning. So you can have real life conversations, get instant feedback, and learn words you'll actually use. Speak to Pingo as you would a friend. Want to practice ordering a cafe, debate politics, or chat with K-dramas, talk about your day, ask questions, and explore the language together. So create or choose from engaging real-life conversation scenarios, talk with ultra-realistic AI, receive actionable feedback and tips for improvement on grammar, fluency, vocabulary, use tutor more for guided practice and review useful words to enforce learning. So that's kind of the idea in here. So and then yeah, let's just which language you want to learn. So for example, Spanish. And then this app kind of creates your plan. So overall there are a lot of these new AI language learning apps, but this one seems to be really high quality and is getting traction. So I highly recommend it. Yeah, it's one of the best apps right now with AI learning. Then you see your level, and then you can just start in here. So you can change language, change level.
Hola. That's a great start. Now, let me teach you a few key phrases. The first one is hola. It means hello. Let's break it down. Hola. Can you say it slowly 3 times? Perfecto. Now, the next phrase is how to introduce yourself. In Spanish, you say me llamo and then your name. For example, me llamo Andri. Let me say it slowly. Me llamo. Now you